What's up, Kavari crew? Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm doing a what I eat in a week. I think this is my very first what I eat in a week. I've done a few what I eat in a days, but I've never done a full Monday through Sunday what I eat in a week. And I'm sure this room looks familiar to you guys. I'm in Yasmin's bedroom in Ohio. You guys know when I'm filming in Ohio, I come into Yasmin's bedroom because it's pretty, the lighting's good, and all that jazz. But also, you guys know I'm in Ohio when my hair is really short. Well, short for me because I always get my hair cut right when I get here. But anyways, back to the what I eat in a week. So little disclaimer before we start. I'm not vegan. I'm not on any special diet. I really just eat whatever I want in moderation, especially now that I'm pregnant, girl. I filmed this video at 9 weeks, so I was experiencing a ton of nausea. So I'm sure you guys are gonna see in this video, I only ate like 2 meals in a day, or my meals were just kind of like all over the place. That is honestly because I didn't have a huge appetite. Now my appetite is back. I'm at 11 weeks now, and girl, let me tell you, I could eat a cow. But when I filmed this, I was dealing with a lot of nausea, so I really just ate whatever I could stomach, and I didn't really eat full 3 meals a day. So this video is not to be like, eat like me and stuff like that. I really just wanted this video to be raw and real and what I truly actually eat in a day, because I don't just eat avocado toast and acai bowls and chicken breast and brown rice every day. Like, I just don't. So I showed you guys the junk food, I showed you guys the imbalanced meals, all that jazz, because I really just wanted you guys to see what I really ate that week. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Starting out with Monday, I like to start my mornings off by filling up my water cup. This is just a tumbler from Starbucks, and I only showed you guys my water just in this clip and not for every single day because that'd get super repetitive, but I pretty much drink about 3 tumblers of water a day. So for my breakfast, I love having this toast. I showed you guys the bag earlier. It's about 45 calories per slice. And I'm just making some avocado toast. I'm just taking half an avocado, a little bit of lime juice, and just sprinkling a little bit of tahini, not too much. I try to limit my tahini intake because, you know, I'm trying to watch my sodium. But that's the beauty of being pregnant, you know, I can be as bloated as I want in peace. But I'm just mashing up my avocado for my avocado toast. Now, I know that's like a basic LA breakfast, but I genuinely love avocado toast. It's so filling, it's easy, and it's delicious. I like to have eggs in the morning as well, so I'm taking this Pam avocado oil, just spraying the pan real quick. That's Mal making his breakfast in the back, but I'm just making 2 eggs. This is 2 full eggs with the yolk, and I usually don't add any milk or cream to my eggs, but I had this left over in the fridge, so I'm like, why not use it? This is just some organic half and half, and I know it's like a thing to add half and half or milk to your eggs to make it more fluffy, so I just did that today. And then I'm taking this seasoning from Trader Joe's. This is the 21 seasoning salute. I love this seasoning. It's salt free, so you can go in with it as much as you want. I don't add any salt to my eggs. The only salt that's in my breakfast is just the tahini seasoning. So I'm just scrambling those eggs up. I always like to have some fruit in the morning, so my fruit of choice today is just half of a grapefruit. So for my little midday snack, I was just about to go do my makeup. So while I do that, I'm just drinking this cold brew. This is made from almond milk. It's so delicious, but am I the only one who noticed this? When you put a dairy-free milk on top of ice, it gets chunky. It's like really weird. So next time I won't add any ice. And now moving on to dinner. So I woke up pretty late this day. I think I ate breakfast at
noon, so it was kind of like a brunch, like breakfast lunch. So I only had one more meal that day, and this is just one of those salad kits from Kroger, or Ralph's as we call it here in LA. And I didn't use the bacon bits and the corn. I didn't use the cheese. I just used some of the nut mix and like half of the dressing, not even the full dressing packet. And I had some leftover chicken breast in the fridge. Just added that to the salad. And that is all I ate today. For this breakfast for Tuesday, I'm just having one of these oatmeal packs. I love these so much. They're 100 calories and they're the maple brown sugar flavor. And you just fill the water up to the line in the packet. So it's super easy to make, not a lot of cleanup needed. And then I made some more eggs. And then look at this drink I found. This is almond milk horchata. Okay, I found this at the Latin supermarket. So delicious. I like my oatmeal to be creamy and watery almost. So I always like to add some cold milk. And I added some cinnamon, half the grapefruit from the previous day. And that was my breakfast. And then I didn't show this, but I was on set this day and I had just snacked on some tortilla chips and fruit for like a midday snack. And then for dinner, Mel and I went to one of my favorite restaurants in LA. This is called Carousel. It's in Glendale and it's a Lebanese Armenian restaurant. So delicious. And I love about Middle Eastern food, it's very, very healthy. Like our salads, the dressing is just like olive oil and lemon juice. Nothing's too heavy or fattening. So that is why I love Mediterranean food. Just had some hummus to start with some veggies. And Mel had the cabbage salad. I had the Armenian salad. Just got a chicken kebab with some rice. And that is what I had for Tuesday. Wednesday was super exciting because we had our first ultrasound appointment and the office was kind of far, so I just ate my breakfast in the car. This is just a Chobani coconut milk yogurt. So it's dairy free and I just added some low carb granola. And then when I got home as a snack, I had a peach. I'm obsessed with peaches. And then moving on to dinner, I got a bunch of meal kits from HelloFresh. So Mel actually cooked this one up for me while I laid back, kicked my feet up, relaxed. Because, you know, mama was tired. So Mel made these salsa verde enchiladas and they were so, so good. You guys know I've been a huge fan of HelloFresh for years now. They make it so easy and simple to cook delicious meals right at home. They send you step-by-step recipes and pre-measured out ingredients, so you'll have everything you need to get dinner on the table super quick. And I love it because it gets you out of a rut. If you're someone who likes to cook the same things, Mel and I tend to do that. We tend to just make like chicken and rice like every day if you let us. So I love that about HelloFresh. It gets us creative in the kitchen. I really love how there's something for everyone at HelloFresh. They have plans with family recipes to calorie smart recipes to vegetarian recipes. So it's really easy to get creative in the kitchen. And also another thing I love is how flexible HelloFresh is. So you can easily change your delivery date. Let's say you're out of town or on vacation. You can easily change the date. And you can also change your food preferences. Let's say you guys are on the meat and veggies plan, but you guys want to try some vegetarian recipes. You can easily change it to do so. It's actually a lot more affordable than you think. HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving. You guys know Mel and I are meat eaters, but this recipe was vegetarian and it was so delicious. So we love how it gets us cooking a lot more vegetarian meals. So now Mel is just assembling the enchiladas. So he's spreading the mashed bean filling and then he's applying. I'm like stuck in makeup world. Then he's adding the mixture of the peppers and the beans. And this recipe, you guys, lasted so nicely in the fridge. This was one of those recipes that tastes even better the next day. So it was perfect for leftovers. And the salsa verde on top was so delicious and flavorful. This was definitely a big favorite for Mel and I, and if you guys want to try HelloFresh for yourselves, you guys can get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. All you got to do is go to HelloFresh.com and enter my code Nazanin80, and you guys can try it out for yourselves. On to Thursday, I'm having that same oatmeal packet that I showed you guys earlier, and this time I added even more milk, almond milk, and a ton of cinnamon. And then that is actually all I had for breakfast. So for lunch, a huge craving of mine during this whole pregnancy is breakfast food. Honestly, the only thing that sounded good to me this week was just eggs and toast and like avocado toast and hash browns and things like that. So for lunch, I made myself 2 omelets. I started out with just one and then I was still hungry, so I made another one. So I just made the same egg mixture, 2 eggs, half and half, the 21 seasoning salute, and just pop that in a pan. And honestly, you guys, I haven't made an omelet in years. It was just such a random craving. So mine didn't look too cute. I'm adding a little bit of mozzarella cheese, a little bit of cheddar cheese, and just letting that melt. I know I wasn't eating that much dairy before I got pregnant, but sis, bye. Like, I'm just happy to eat whatever I can eat right now. Ate my omelet with some organic ketchup and an avocado on the side. And another huge craving of mine is orange juice. So this is the one I'm drinking. This one's great because it has less sugar and less calories. And then for dinner, I went to Target earlier and I saw this in the freezer section and I was like, oh my gosh, this sounds so good. This is just a California Pizza Kitchen barbecue pizza, and Mel and I split this. And then for the next day, I actually didn't eat breakfast because I worked out in the morning, and I just got a wrap afterwards from Creation Juicery. It's just a juice shop here in LA, and on the label, that's everything that comes in this wrap. Then for a snack, I just had a peach, and Danny and T-Bell and I and Mel, we were all hanging out this day. So we actually went to go see 47 Meters Down Uncaged, and we got some pizza before. This is Blaze Pizza. We just made a custom pizza. It's crazy because we had barbecue chicken pizza the night before, but Mel and I just split that one. And then for Saturday, I actually went to Yasmin's house for breakfast, and I just had some fruit, some eggs, some toast, some butter, and some orange juice and jam. So that is my breakfast for Saturday. And then for lunch, I picked up this veggie sushi from Ralph's. Honestly, this was not that good. You guys know you can't eat raw fish when you're pregnant. So I was like, let me get this veggie roll. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that great. Then I didn't show this, but for Saturday night, I just ate some leftover of the enchiladas. So moving on to Sunday, I'm just skipping right to dinner because it's not even worth showing my like breakfast / lunch because it was just a repeat of everything I saw from the week, like oatmeal, toast, you know. So my craving tonight was a barbecue chicken, mac and cheese. So this is the barbecue sauce we're using. It was so good. We didn't get Sweet Baby Ray's because I read the label, and that one actually has high fructose corn syrup. So we spent a little bit more on some barbecue sauce for these ones because they don't have that. And we just tossed some grilled chicken. Mel actually went outside onto the grill to grill this chicken, so it was really good. And he also made this mac and cheese as well. He got the recipe from his mama. And then for the mashed potatoes, honestly, for mashed potatoes, we just pick up this Bob Evans pre-made mashed potatoes. It's super good. Bob Evans is just like an Ohio delicacy, so we love getting that. And this was our Sunday dinner. So Yasmin and Ponce also came over to eat with us.
So that is it for my what I eat in a week nausea edition. I might as well just label it that. But if you guys want to update, I'm at 11 weeks now and your girl is hungry. My nausea is pretty much gone. So let me tell you, I've been eating a lot. I've been eating everything. I've been eating my parents' cooking left and right, and my belly feels really good. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out HelloFresh down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.